Hi, I'm Jose here with Car Detox. I want to show you a car that has a lot of mildew. It was wet. It was kept wet for about a couple of weeks, and now the car has it's full of mildew. And one of the reasons I want to do this video is to show you in how many ways a car can get mildew. So the first that would be to leave the windows down. If you leave the windows down, it rains, obviously gets a lot of rain on it. In the case of the other car that we have here, it was the sunroof. They went to the beach, they left the sunroof up, and it rained for 30 minutes. Once it came to the car was already wet on the inside, below the carpets. Yeah, so leaving water bottles inside the car, it could be the case even when the water bottles are sealed, where the water evaporates from them and it starts affecting the interior of the car. The other ways that it could be done is that a sunroof has a leak, and because of not being washed or being left outside a lot, then it plugs and it develops a leak inside the carpets. Another way, it could be the AC hose broke and it's starting to leak inside the carpet of the car. Your car would develop mildew in that case very quickly. The other way, it could be the sealants, like right here. So it has a lot to do with how you keep the car, if you keep it washed, if you keep it outside, because these sealants can kind of start to fail, and then the water that was supposed to drain, it's draining but inside the car. Same happens when you leave a lot of leaves to rest in the front of the windshield. That could also leave water. Okay. Another way that it can get water is when you replace the windshields or any windows and the company did not do a good job sealing, so the water can start dripping from the part that they didn't seal correctly. Another way that we have seen as well, the car is on an accident and the door or anything, the sealants of the door are not placed correctly, and the water starts coming in and people don't realize that. Obviously, another way would be going to a restaurant and leaving any liquid food in there for days and not realizing it. It's the same thing, buying a gallon of water, forgetting about it, and the thing drip, right? So there are many reasons why, but as soon as you identify that you got some amount of water in the car, you have to do something about it. You have to dry it. You have to make sure that it doesn't have any water underneath, because it can quickly make its way underneath the carpet. And once that happens, you want to resolve the issue by taking everything apart and making sure there is no water or mildew on the car.